everyone. It's Larry Berman here, and here's what's on my radar this week. Going to start digging into the charts right away. Obviously, it's been a very interesting week from a market perspective. You know, we've got our inflation data. Market responded well to it. We're now up into the meat of technical resistance. The S&P 500 here, as you can see on the charts, 4227 is the 50% retracement. It looked like on Thursday we had failed that level. We're sitting here about midday Friday, a little before noon, and so far we're above that level. So where's the next technical resistance? Obviously, the falling 200-day average. Project that out into next week's retail sales, which is going to be key of the week. And there's the potential for a test of around 4,300. The big Fibonacci, next big Fibonacci retracement level, 43.67. I don't think this market has that much potential in it. Wouldn't rule it out. Then the other levels we're looking at, given that this rally has been broadly led by the NASDAQ, again, where are those levels? 338, 995, so 339 on the Qs. We're at 327. You're looking at 3.5% higher. Project that falling 200-day into next week and even into the end of the month at Jackson Hole kind of lines up. So maybe a little bit more upside here still, as we highlighted last week, but probably not a lot. So when it comes to the bull and bear picks of the week, we've just got to be very, very cautious from the bearish standpoint on equity markets overall. And, you know, that's really the big message here on the cautionary side. You know, what could we be bullish on? Looking around the tape, still to me, gold and silver stand out as maybe some of the copper names even stand out as more oversold. Now, if the Fed is going to be aggressive still on monetary policy, it's going to be tough for the gold and the silver names to really rally. Those names will take off big time when the Fed does hit the pause button. So that, to me, is still a number of months away. It may not be until 2023, but at Jackson Hole, we expect the Fed, as we're hearing from some of the Fed members right now, so in Powell's speech, to talk out the possibility of rate cuts in 2023, as the Fed will hit pause but not look to cut rates. They do believe we're going to get a soft landing, and in the soft landing scenario, there'll be no need for them to start to ease. So the next couple of quarters in economic data, what does that mean for earnings? That's all going to play out, you know, in due course here. But we do think the Fed is going to have a tendency to want to overdo it, to really kill inflation, and that ultimately moves the market for a retest of the recent lows and probably an undercut. Cautionary market overall. Precious metals look good. The timing may not be right yet. Have a great week, everyone.